So coming lecture number 2, one on one I will explain about this sense organs. So first topic is eyes. Okay, so in this we will see the parts of the eye. Parts of the eye. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts of the eye are there. So one on one I will explain you. So first is we will see cornea. Second we will see iris. Third pupil. Fourth sclera. Fifth lens, and the last one is retina. So these are the 6 parts of the eyes. When you will see into the mirror, then we can clearly see your eye part. In the mirror I am talking. So what is cornea? So cornea is thin transparent layer that covers the front of the eye. Okay, cornea is thin transparent that you can see eye, that thin and transparent transparent layer that covers the front of the eye. So thin and transparent layers that covers the what? Front of the eye. That you can see eye, that front one, that is cornea. Now second is what? Iris. So the round colored part of the eye present behind the cornea. Okay, so this is cornea, the round colored part of the eye present behind the cornea. That the round, okay, that round, whatever that round you see, that is called iris. So the round colored part of the eye present behind the what? Cornea. So that is known as iris. Next we'll go to pupil. So the opening at the center of iris, the opening at the center of the iris through which light enters the eye. Okay, the opening of the center, the opening at the center of iris. So why iris is there? That opening, okay, that opening part is known as what? Pupil, which through light is passing. So the opening pupil is there. So the opening at the center of the iris through which light enters the eye. Next I told you sclera. So sclera, the white part of the eye. That white part you can see in our eye, that in the center there is white part, that is sclera. The white part of the eye is known as what? Sclera. Next one is, after sclera, that is lens. So the lens is located just behind the iris and pupil. It helps to focus light on the retina. Okay. So lens is just located behind the iris and pupil, and it helps to focus light on the retina. So if our lens will be damaged, we will not able to see. When you will go to any doctor, eye doctor, they will give you some lens if your lens is damaged. Lens is very important. So it is located. It is located just behind the iris and pupil. Okay, and it helps to focus light on the what? Retina. And the last, not the least, that is retina. So the inner lining at the back of the eye, is called retina. So in our you cannot see properly, but that inner lining that is back of the eye, that is called retina. The inner lining at the back of the eye is called retina. A retina is made up of special light sensing cell. Okay, it is made up of special light sensing cells. It contains blood vessels, okay, that supply nutrients to these cells present there. Okay, it contains blood vessels. Okay, so this is about our all eyes. So the image on the object that we see with our eyes is found on the area. So whatever object if we are able to see our eyes, that object's image form on the our retina. So with the help of retina, we are able to see any object's image. Retina sends message to the optic nerve, which carry the message to the brain. Yes, and with the help of this retina only, if any image is there, now whatever image, if you are able to see this board image, whatever writing there, it is because this image actually form on the retina, and that retina sends message to the optic nerve, and which carry to the message to the brain. So this retina is also very important, because whatever you are able to see this image, that image actually forms on the retina. It is clearly written that image of the object that we see with our eyes is formed on the retina. That is not formed on the cornea, iris, pupil, sclera, lens and retina. So that is clearly understood. Again I am just explaining some. Cornea, thin and transparent layer; iris, that round colored part of the eye; pupil, that the opening at the center of the eye; sclera, that white part you can see clearly, that is known as sclera; lens, which is just located behind the iris and pupil; and the retina, that inner lining at the back of the eye, that is called retina, and it is made up of special light sensing cell, and it also contains blood vessels which carry nutrients to these cells, to these cells present there. So till here I am stopping. After that there are some other organs are also there: ears, nose, tongue and skin. So that I will explain in next classes. So for now, goodbye to all of you.